Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to install Stable-Diffusion-WebUI-Forge. This is a new polished version. We are quite familiar with automatic AI, so we can say that Forge is a new version, more polished version of automatic AI. And it is not that much complicated to install Forge because it comes with one-click installer. Okay, so that is the good part. Now, if I talk about Forge, it is quite similar when it comes to Automatic 11.11, but the performance-wise, it is improved. When I compare it with Automatic 11.11, the image generation took less time. Also, Forge can work on GPUs with less RAM. So let's start the installation process. You need to visit this website. I will put the link in the description. Also in Automatic 11.11, there are a lot of things you need to do, but this is quite, one click go install. You download this package, you first use up.dat.bat file to run, then you use run.bat file to install everything. Okay, and it is important to run update.bat file because it will update and download, update everything, prepare your environment, everything. The best part about this Forge UI is it detects your GPU and configure your environment in that manner that it actually utilize and bring the best output from your card. So this is the best part of Forge UI. So let's get started. I clicked here and downloaded the installation thing, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a folder. Let's make it Forge, and then I'm going to extract everything and put it here. So once I extract everything in this folder, I'm going to close the WinRAR and then I will going to run update. Okay, that we need to run first. Now it will try to download some patches and bug fixes if they are available. And then we will press enter and close this window. Then we will click on run. This is also a time consuming process. Depending on your computer and the VRAM and the internet speed, it is going to take some time to download and install everything. It is going to download your desired model, everything by itself. Now if you see, it is now downloading the 1.5 model by default, that is Realistic Vision 5.1 with VAE. Till it do something, let me focus on few more things. If you recall and watched my Automatic 11.11 video in past, you should be knowing that there are command line arguments which we need to add into WebUI. In Forge, you don't need to add those command line variables. They are taken care. Like everything is automatic. Like Forge recommend that you remove all the CMD flag if you are planning to add, and let Forge decide how it should load model and do the generation. And without these flags, the SDXL can run on 4 GB VRAM also, and SD 1.5 on 2 GB VRAM. So that is, really a cool thing. After that, there are some, flags that you can add. So the process got completed and we have Forge with us. It looks like similar to Automatic 11.11 but a little bit more polished. We already have a model try to generate something. Q cap on running in garden. Okay, let's see what it is going to do. So it gave me an image, and which is quite fast. It took around 2.7 seconds to generate this image on SD 1.1 model. Okay, so that's it guys. This is all about Forge web UI creation on your local machine. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and we will meet soon in our next video. Thank you for